Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing a smoke detector hidden camera. Let's get into it. This is a smoke detector hidden camera, and the great thing about this smoke detector camera is a fully functional smoke detector. There are laws and regulations out there about mounting smoke detector cameras what are non-functional, saying that you're mounting a smoke detector and the person in that building has the impression that that is a fully functional smoke detector what's mounted on the ceiling or the wall. So I would advise you, if you're going to install a hidden smoke detector camera, make sure that it's fully functional. You could get yourself into some sticky situations with a non-working unit. Okay, that's out the way. Let's see what we get in the box. Alright, here's a alarm instruction manual. These are the specs on the camera, and anchors and screw to mount your smoke detector to a ceiling or wall. This is the actual unit itself. You have your BNC connection and your 9-volt power source plug-in. You can see it's just a conventional smoke detector. The hidden camera is right here. Okay, it comes with a 9-volt battery to power the actual smoke detector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to a DVR so you can see the picture quality. Let's give you a few rundown on the features of this camera. It's a 1/3 Sony CCD chipset. It's 620 TV lines. It's a day and night function. 0.1 lux at color and 0.01 lux at black and white. And it's pinhole lens 3.7 millimeters. Okay. So let's go to the video and see how this hidden camera operates connected to a DVR. Okay guys, this is the smoke detector camera hooked up to the DVR, 620 TV lines, and now I'm going to do the test for the night vision. It says that it can do night vision, so let's see if it can do night vision. Okay guys, this is the room in total darkness. No lights or anything. Not too bad, I would say. Let's try and just, I'm going to turn on one of the studio lights and see what happens. Okay, that's with one of the studio lights on, and we're still in black and white mode. So you can see for yourself how this camera performs in total darkness and low light. Okay. Alright guys, you've seen the unboxing and the demo of this Hidden Spy smoke detector camera. Okay, so for more information on this product, you can look in the description below. Please give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and just smash that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.